It's Wednesday. You know what that means. We get fit with our wellness segment, and we also get legal. We go on the docket with our buddy John Patrick Dolan. Hey, John, how's it going?
Indeed. A beautiful morning today.
Yeah, beautiful morning with that cloud cover, as she said, and maybe a sprinkle. One guy that's probably not having too good of a morning, that would be Mr. Robert Durst.
Not too great of a day for him.
This guy, I'm just going to say it because but this is my personal belief. He's been evading law enforcement for years. He got off on, I think, a technicality in the last case where the jury went okay. I mean, they've been looking at him for 3 different murders since the 80s, right? It was his wife, his neighbor, and then
a guy in use, Galveston.
And then some guy when he was in Texas hiding out, dressing up as a woman or what he was doing to hide. He killed his neighbor there, or some homeless guy. And then he does this HBO documentary. I caught a couple seconds of it Sunday night, and off camera he mumbles, "Yeah, so I killed him. What do you think?"
Well,
I mean, come on.
He does the documentary against the advice of his lawyer. The statement that he mumbled probably is not the worst problem that he has. It's sort of like my cousin Vinny, you know, he says, like, "I killed all these people," of course. Sounds like a sort of a satirical statement. Here's the problem that he has. His present competence is going to be the issue because, of course, he's acting a little funny. And you can't try somebody unless they're presently competent. I bet you anything that's what we're going to see when he gets to Los Angeles. And his real problem is the letter that was sent by the killer of his neighbor that apparently matches a letter that he wrote, misspelling Beverly in Beverly Hills.
I saw that.
The National Academy of
Sciences really close.
National Academy of Sciences 2009 said handwriting analysis not really a science. Unfortunately for him, it's still admissible in California because there are experts who can analyze handwriting. Printing is harder to analyze, but frankly, that evidence is going to come in. And if you just look at the 2 letters and you look at the spelling,
identical. And he misspelled it.
He got problems because he's the guy who says the letter that came to the law enforcement was probably written by the killer. So he's got big problems there, but I bet you anything he's not going to see a trial for a long, long time because the first attack would be he's not presently competent, the guy's acting crazy, he can't help his lawyers to prepare his defense. So it's going to be a long, hard struggle here in Los Angeles.
And they'll probably put him in a mental institute instead of jail time, and the families want to see justice for those 3 people killed.
Right.
There's the letter right there. They're showing it again. Look at that. And real quick, they say we're out of time, but just tell me about this glitch in the extradition system. It's fixed now.
Somebody has a warrant go out in Riverside. They're picked up in Florida. If it says non-extraditable, then they just get cut loose. If it says extradite, then they get brought back. In the DOJ system, it was changed a couple of years ago, so the default was non. And so there were people that had committed violent crimes that were getting cut loose. It's been fixed, but it's a problem that's existed for the past couple of years. And it was uncovered, by the way, by an investigation between USA Today and the Desert Sun. So right here locally, we found the problem and got it fixed.
So bottom line here for folks out there, there were bad guys who committed crimes in California, got caught in another state, and then because of a computer glitch for years, the police let them go in other states, didn't know they had to be extradited back here to California.
Exactly, but it's been fixed now.
All right, well, thanks to Desert Sun and USA Today. John Patrick Dolan, for more information or legal advice or help, there's his website. We'll be right back. Stay with us.